Hi and welcome. My name is Christopher Paniccia. I am Dean of the School of Continuing Education here at Southern California International University. I'm going to take a few minutes to talk to you about something that's very important here to us, and that's continuing education. One world, one university. That's a great tagline to take a look at our approach here at Southern California International University. Learning at your own pace. Now, that's something that's near and dear to most people's hearts, because when you're thinking about online learning, distance learning, that's a great thing to look at, because being able to take a course on your own time, at your own pace, is very, very interesting and exciting and will help you a great deal. Cost effectiveness. When you're talking about taking courses, whether it's for professional development or whether it's for you taking them to better yourself in your life or better yourself in your job, cost effectiveness is very important, because not only does it allow you to save time, it also allows you to make affordable decisions for you and your company. 100% online learning. That is where we are headed in the 21st century. We are really looking at online learning, distance learning, making learning easy for you to approach, to use, and to turn around and train others. Numerous areas of study. When you look at a continuing education program, that's what you're looking for. You want to see that it's not just one program or another. You want to see that there are numerous, multiple options so that you can choose what's best for you. High quality training from experts. I'd like to take a few minutes to really talk about that and really focus on that, because that's one of the things that we pride ourselves on here at the university. And especially here in the continuing education department, we really want you to understand that when you get a course or when you take a course from us, that you are not just taking a course that has just been put online, but you are taking a course that's been selected, hand-selected by experts, given by experts. And that's really an important point, because when you are taking a continuing ed course, let's say that you are taking it in order to help yourself in business. You want to know that these courses are being given by business pros and business experts. So when you are training, you are going to turn around and offer that company that training in return, and training your colleagues as well. A more trained staff. How does that help you? Well, it helps you in every way possible, especially the bottom line, because training is key. If you want to become more adept at your business, then the more training, the better, especially with your employees. So if you have a highly skilled staff, you're more likely to have that staff stay with you, turn around and train others, and to keep and build that highly trained, highly honed staff, which is very important. Career-oriented. That's what having a highly trained staff does for you. You are not just taking people and training them, but you are training them in the career of their choice. They're going to turn around and they're going to do that for you as well. When you're talking about highly trained individuals, you're also talking about experts in their field. And the more training you have, the more expert you are going to become, being able to turn around and use that to your advantage when you approach other companies. Taking a moment to talk about staying current in your field. Most fields, you have to do your training to stay current, whether it's a license or if it's just professional development or CEUs. And here in the continuing ed department, we really focus on training people so that they can either get certificate programs, they can do their professional development, or they can do CEUs. But it doesn't just stop there. If you decide that you want to take these courses for graduate credit or undergraduate credit, then you certainly can take those courses for that credit as well. Wrapping up, taking a look to learn practical techniques and methods. You know, it's not just theory with us. We want to teach you and train you in things that you are actually going to use in your career. Not something that just is, okay, well, this is an idea. Well, does the idea work? No. If it's practical, it's something that you can use in your career and not take it for granted. I'd like to take this time to thank you very much for listening to my presentation. I look forward to working with you here at Southern California International University's Department of Continuing Education.